Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most talked about and controversial political ideologies out there, socialism. So, what exactly is socialism? Socialism is a political and economic system in which the means of production, such as factories and farms, are owned and controlled by the community as a whole rather than by individuals or corporations. The goal of socialism is to create a more equal and fair society, where wealth is distributed more evenly and everyone has access to basic needs like food, housing, and healthcare. To give you a real-world example of socialism, let's take a look at the country of Denmark. Denmark is often cited as one of the world's most socialist countries, and its citizens enjoy a high standard of living and a strong social safety net. For example, the Danish healthcare system is publicly funded, which means that everyone has access to quality medical care regardless of their income. Additionally, the Danish government provides generous benefits to families with children, and citizens have access to free education and job training programs. While socialism has its benefits, it's important to note that there are also some drawbacks. For example, some argue that socialism can lead to a lack of incentives, as people may not be motivated to work hard if they don't see the direct benefits of their labor. Additionally, there are concerns that too much government control can lead to a loss of individual freedoms. Conclusion: so, there you have it. Socialism is a complex political and economic ideology that seeks to create a more equal and fair society. While it has its benefits,